welcome to today's Hobbii Happy Hour. Do remember you're getting 10% off of these. And today you save 20%, 40% off right now. And today you can get Sultan at 50% off with our code HAPPY50 for 24 hours only. Hello, I'm Honey Bunny. And I'm Honey Bunny Big.
Have you ever wondered how it's like to...
Beautiful, shiny.
But, Louisa, will it flat?
Let's find out. And remember that today, as a special little treat, you're getting a free gift with your orders.
Congratulations!
This basket is on its way to you!
It is.
Woo! Woo!
It's a giveaway. It's a giveaway.
Gorgeous, gorgeous pink, and I think we have a few more. More colors!
I brought matches in case.
You want to say that again, Matt?
No.
Many times is... And that's been it for this week. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope to see you next week. Bye!
Hey, good job!
Yay!
Woo! Yay!